Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to customize Windows 11 to make it look more cool and feel exactly the way you want. So let's get started. Open settings, go to search bar, type settings, then select settings, then as you can see here, it's personalization. Go here. Now if you want a custom wallpaper, click on background and you just can browse here and you can select your necessary wallpaper and press OK. And for example, I have put my wallpaper sunrise is here. Now for customizing taskbar, uh, go to personalization, then scroll down a bit. Now you can see taskbar here. Uh, right click on the taskbar, select taskbar settings. Now here you can choose which icons appear, move the taskbar to the left, or even disable unwanted widgets and search for a cleaner look. Now you can also add widgets here and you can change the task view by clicking on turn it off or turn it on. Now in the taskbar behaviors you can see certain settings like automatically hide the taskbar, then it will work like that. As you can see my taskbar is now hide. Now it's not necessary, you can see you can align the taskbar here by left or center of your Windows 11. Now how to add and customize widgets. For customizing widgets, press Windows key plus W. I will show you the key. Press Windows key plus W to customize the widget settings in your Windows 11. Now, now changing icons and appearance. Go to your desktop, press the right bar and go to display settings. Here you can change the display settings. You can turn the night light on and you can also change the SDR mode as you can see here. Uh, will get a brighter and more vibrant picture if you adjust the dynamic range of SDR. You can also turn it off as well during streaming as it will take more battery percentage from your Windows 11. So that's it guys. Now you know how to fully customize Windows 11 to suit your style. I hope you like the video. See you in the next one.